Hi guys, welcome to another series of Ebony Ventures. On today's series, I'll be sharing with you how to make baby hair bond. Let's get started. So firstly, I have my Ghana hole here, which I'm trying to measure the size that I want with my hand, and I'll be using a scissors to cut it out. And after then, I'll be securing a baby hair bond to the chair so that I can use it to have access to the bond and make the twist with it. So once I secure the first end, I'll secure the second end too. Then I'll be making my twist inside the bond, in between the bond. I'm making like 10 strands, so I'll be using 10 strands of this Ghana wool, baby wool. I pick out 10 strands, then I put it in between the hair bond and I'll be twisting it. Once I secure it to the measurement that I want, I'll be securing the mouth to tie a knot at the end of it. Then I'll be securing the end with 2 strands. I'll proceed to the rest of the twist. Once I've secured it to the end, I'll twist it again. I'll secure it with 2 strands again. And I'm doing the last one on the hair bond. I'll secure it to the end and I will use 2 strands again to knot it at the end. Then I'll be cutting out the essence that we have at the mouth of the twist. Then I'll be leaving like 2 or 3 strands. I'll be cutting it out and I'll leave out a strand for the bead to enter. Once I've cut it out, I'll be using the bead inside. I'll put the bead in. You can use as many beads as you want on this twist. Once I've secured it in, I'll secure the rest too with bead, and I'll be using the last strand to knot it again. And here is what I have. Then I'll be cutting out the excess strand that I have, and I'll be using my candle light to secure the mouth so that the bead and the wood won't be loosened afterward. Then I use the light to knit the body of the twist. So once I'm done, I'm testing it on my baby's hair. This is what it should look like. I'll proceed to other ones that I have. This can be used anytime. even if your baby have the hair or not, can use it for her anytime. Then I secure it down. That's the end of the tutorial, and this is the outcome of the twist.